Good morning and welcome to video number 3 from a very windy Padstow. Once again, thank you for joining us on our third video of our Cornwall vlog. I just had a little wander around Padstow just now. It's an absolutely stunning harbour village.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
Tell you a little bit about where we're going for lunch. We're going to Paul Ainsworth, the Mariners. It's a gastropub. It's got a very good reputation. The fish and chips are extremely famous around here, but I think we might try something a bit different. I had fish and chips yesterday, so we might try something a little bit different. We're just on our way up to Toby's favourite spot in the world. There's a beach just up this little walkway here, so come along, enjoy the fun. You'll see him turn into a little puppy. We're nearly here to the point where Toby's going to go ballistic. So watch this. Enjoying it. 10 years old he is next month. Play around. I'm going to catch the ferry over to Rock, and then we'll show you what the Mariners has to offer. Padstow is one of our favourite places. Take a look at that behind. We're on holiday! just left Paul Ainsworth, the Mariners. Really nice. We only had just one course for lunch. It's not cheap, but the standard was very good. Remind us what you had?
I had the ploughmans. That was really good.
Classic British when the sun's out.
Especially when the sun's out.
Absolutely. Yeah. And I had the shepherd's pie, which was lamb shoulder, so it wasn't lamb mince. It was shoulder, which was beautiful. It had a basil and mint salsa verde on the side as well, so really nice. So I had a pint, I had a pilsner. You had a record leg, didn't you?
Yeah.
Bottle of record leg. The bill came to £67, which it's not cheap. My lunch was £23 main, yours was £23.50, so it's not cheap, but we would definitely recommend it. It's a beautiful stop off, very dog friendly. So we just finished our lunch, we just got off the ferry. Straight as soon as we've got off there, said speedboat rides. Last time we went on a speedboat, we went on a rib last time we were in Cornwall. I'll put the footage up to show you what it was like last time. He was petrified, Toby was, so won't be doing that again, I'm afraid. We were just laughing at this. They have an arm wrestle. That is absolutely amazing.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has passed.
The other choice we were looking at for lunch was Prawn on the Lawn. It's just here. It's awesome, that place. It's basically whatever they catch fresh off the boat that morning. It's a tapas style fish restaurant, so that's definitely a good recommendation there.
Gotta find my way to you. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Out on the water, I'm swimming.
That's Padstow. We always love it. It's one of our favourite places. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. And again, consider subscribing. We're all fun and games ready for tomorrow again. We've got a really fun day out. We're going to the Minack Theatre, so it should be really exciting. So we look forward to seeing you then.